Hi students, I think still in your mind yesterday's points of discussions are there. Yesterday we discussed about the homologous series, and the last part of the yesterday's discussion was alkane series. Alkane series is an example for homologous series. Alkane compounds are the examples for homologous series. Many alkanes are there, so we have taken only first 10 alkanes, and in that the first one is what? Methane. So methane is the simplest alkane. Methane is the simplest hydrocarbon, and methane is the simplest organic compound, because carbon's best friend is hydrogen, and when the carbon hydrogen combines in 1:4 ratio by volume, the organic compound formed is methane. Okay, so methane is the first born baby in the organic chemistry. Okay, born baby is what? Simplest what organic compound. Now today we go to some other examples for homologous series. Okay, right. So once again, I welcome for the today's session on homologous series with many more examples. This is the alkyne series. This is the what? Alkyne series. Please see, the first member of alkyne is ethine. C2H4, sorry, C2H2. And remember, ethines contains at least one triple bond between carbon. So carbon-carbon triple bond has to be there in alkynes. So the difference between alkane, alkene, alkynes is alkanes are single bond covalent. Okay, single covalent bond. Whereas alkenes are other bonds are single bonds, but at least they should contain one carbon-carbon double covalent bond. In the same way, alkynes are hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. So in this way, they differ in their structure. Okay. So today I have taken an example of what? Alkyne series with general formula CnH2n-2. That you have to check it. Okay. Right. Ethine, propine, butane, pentane, and hexane. I have not taken the example of the heptine, decine because it takes a lot of space. So to write and to set it becomes very difficult. So just to understand, I have taken first 5 alkynes. Okay, right. Once again, I am repeating. Their general formula is CnH2n-2. Just to confirm this, let us check with ethine. In ethine, how many carbon atoms are there? 2. In the general formula CnH2n-2, what N stands for? N stands for number of carbon atoms. So in the ethine, number of carbon atoms are 2. So substitute N equal to 2 in the formula CnH2n-2. What will you get? C2 H 2 into 2 minus 2. That means C2 H4 minus 2. So C2 H2. That is the molecular formula for ethine. But one thing is here, in the case of alkane, first member is methane. But in the case of alkyne, why first member methane is not there? Okay, let us check. If you put n equal to 1 in the general formula, what happens? So in CnH2n-2, if you substitute n equal to 1, let us see C1, okay, H2 into 1 minus 2 equal to what? Equal to C1, H2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So H is not there. If you put n equal to 0, H value will not come. That means alkyne with the carbon atom number 1 will not exist. That's why first member of alkyne series is ethine, whereas first member of alkane is methane. In the same way, first member of alkene is not methane, it is ethene, because as you move from alkane to the alkene to the alkyne, number of hydrogen atoms corresponding to the carbon atoms becomes less. Okay, that's why formula says for alkane it is CnH2n plus 2 is there, whereas for the alkene it is CnH2n plus 2 is removed. Now for the alkynes it is minus CnH2n minus 2. So when you move from alkane to the alkyne, number of carbon atoms are same, whereas the number of hydrogens are less. Therefore, first member disappears, it does not exist. So first member in case of alkene and the alkyne starts with ethene and the ethane respectively. Okay, right. So all these are example for alkynes, and this is a series is example for what? Example for homologous series. Okay, please check their structure aram se, then you check the general formula also. This is the alcohol series. Okay, alcohol series. Okay, first member is methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol. Only first 5 I have taken. First, I think first 4 were there in the 10th class. Okay, if you refer the textbook, you will find first 4 names were there in the 10th class textbook. But here with the structure, you can check and you can practice also. So methanol. Okay, first member of alcohol is what? Methanol. These are called aliphatic alcohols. Why aliphatic? Open chain, right? And alcohols have a kind of odor, especially in that ethanol is there. No, ethanol is a some kind of tangy taste. Okay, so because this tangy taste, people wants to consume this ethanol, but the problem is this ethanol affects directly central nervous system. We lose the balance. First and second is we take a wrong decision. Therefore, ethanol consumption is not allowed. So we say alcohol is not alcohol. Alcohol is a alcohol. Okay, we say like this. No, that's why ethanol is used only as a solvent in the industries to prepare some other organic compounds in the industries, but not as a consuming part. But still people consume because of the some kind of tangy taste. But science says it is highly harmful to consume the alcohol. Okay, right? Especially this ethanol, whereas methanol is highly poisonous. Methanol is highly poisonous. During the preparation of ethanol in the industry, by chance, if you go with a wrong procedure, if you prepare methanol in place of ethanol, and unknowingly if you drink, we lose first imbalance. Okay, then if the dose is more, then our eyesight will go down, and if still the methanol dose is more, then it is a fatal. That means definitely it is a poisonous, or what you can say, it is unfit to drink. Therefore, methanol is unfit, whereas ethanol is fit to drink only under the some conditions. But in some industries, they keep ethanol in barrels. Why? In the godown or in the stock room, in the storeroom, because it is used as solvent for some other chemical. Therefore, they keep it as a stock. But people who are working in the ethanol industry, they will be tempted to take the ethanol from the barrels. Therefore, what the owners will do? Owners will do, in the barrel which contains ethanol, they add small amount of methanol. Okay, and on the barrel they will write it is methylated spirit. That means alcohol or the spirit. For this ethanol we call it as a spirit also. This spirit or the ethanol contains a small amount of methanol. That means this is unfit to drink. So just to avoid drinking by the industry people or the workers in the godown, so they do this technique. So by adding small amount of methanol to the ethanol, ethanol becomes unfit to drink. So that when they want ethanol used as a solvent, they separate it by some technique methanol, then they use it. Okay, this is just to avoid drinking ethanol by the workers. Okay, right. So propanol, already we know it has got a highly disinfection character. Nowadays coronavirus, they are preparing sanitizer, no? So all the sanitizer contains a propanol. So in the propanol condition, virus will not there even for a second or so. Therefore, they tell you to frequent washing with the soap or with the alcohol. So in the alcohol, it will die, and in the soap solution, the outer cover is opens. When the outer cover opens of the virus, it will die. So all these techniques are there. So that's why we have to wash either with the soap solution or with the sanitizer which contains alcohol. So alcohol has got many uses. Now we'll go to the second homologous series. Next, this is the homologous series of carboxylic acids: methanoic, ethanoic, propanoic, butanoic, pentanoic, hexanoic, heptanoic, octanoic, nonoic, and decanoic. So first 10 I have taken. First 4 for 10th class is there already. So remaining you can please check the formula. Okay, whether are they differs by CH2, just to check it. This I am giving you for assignment. Okay, and one more assignment. What assignment is? What is the general formula for the carboxylic acid? That you check it. Okay, this you have to sit and put n equal to 1 in the try workout and make your own general formula. Okay, like alkane, alkene, the alkynes. Okay, so today we learnt 3 series for homologous series. One is alkyne, second is alcohol, then third is what? Carboxylic acid. So with this we will wind up today's class, and tomorrow many more points are there to discuss. Okay, till then, good day to all.